Escola Adults, CFA, Sant Feliu de Guíxols. Present Simple, Unit 1. Uses of present simple. We use the present simple to talk about habits and things that are generally or always true. Garbí is a cat. He loves sleeping. Simple present tense. Affirmative. Forming the present simple is very easy. It has the same form as the infinitive. We usually add s to the verb with the third person singular. Example, I work in a bank. My mother works in a bank. Don't forget the s. Even really advanced students do this. For a few verbs, there's a spelling change before the s. We add es to verbs that end in o. S, sh, ch, and x. She watches, he goes, it finishes. We change y to ies in verbs that end in a consonant plus y. She studies, he carries, time flies. We can use frequency expressions, always, usually, often, sometimes, never, with the present simple to talk about how often something happens. He usually wakes up at 7:30 in the morning when the alarm goes off. He always takes too long to decide what to wear. Negative form. We use do not, don't, does not, doesn't in negative sentences. We don't add the s to the verb with the third person singular. Afterwards, he eats breakfast. He doesn't like coffee. When he's ready, he walks to get the bus. When he arrives at school, he has 3 hours of classes. After 3 hours of classes, he gets a small break. He gets home as fast as he can. Finally, Garbí eats lunch after a day of school. We use do or does before the subject to make questions. After lunch, Garbí hangs out with his friends. Do they get along well? Yes, they do. They're best buddies. Does the dog chase the cats? No, he doesn't. He's a good dog.